Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Okay, so you've listed an item on Vinted and realized your shipping costs might be too high or too low. Don't worry, you can actually adjust it pretty easily. Step 1. First, open the Vinted app and go to your profile section. Tap on the 3 horizontal lines menu at the bottom right, then select your listings or active items. Find the item you want to change the postage price for and tap on it to open the listing details. Step 2. Once you're viewing the listing, look for an edit button or pencil icon. This is usually located at the top right corner of your screen. Tap that button to enter edit mode for your listing. Step 3. Scroll down through the editing options until you find the shipping or postage price section. This should be clearly labeled and show your current shipping cost. Tap on the shipping price field to select it and make your changes. Step 4. Enter your new postage price in the field. Make sure it's realistic and covers your actual shipping costs based on weight, distance, and carrier rates. You can also change your shipping method if needed at this point. Step 5. After updating the price, scroll to the bottom and hit the Save or Confirm button to apply your changes. Your listing will update immediately with the new postage price, and any potential buyers will see the updated shipping cost when they view your item.